Content Studio and Display Studio. Open Display Studio. Yeah. Their status is here. And it looks like most things work. I have no idea what, oh, that thing, okay. How the person who normally runs this, Z, explains it is never make one of these from your own. Always just like right click and click like, or copy and paste it.
Interesting.
Which is a unique approach. So now, if we go to, let's go to soccer. Welcome RHS mesh. So there's a mesh, which is that top square of the board, and there's the main board. So then there's, so mesh is also a speaker. So audio, there's a speaker behind that top square board, and that's some speakers. So that's your main speakers, and then there's ones on the bottom. Welcome RHS mesh. You click it, ta-da, it works first time. And now up here it says welcome to RSD. So now you're like, the board has to, so your output to TriCaster is an input into the Daktronics system, the board. So now you have to tell it to use that. So overlay live video, and ta-da, it works. Next, so there's the trivia button, and then the fire alarm button is also the same color as the trivia button. So sort of watch where you're going.
What's the trivia?
What's the fire alarm?
Is it legit?
Trivia. I'm not gonna play the fire alarm because it will turn on the. It plays over the speakers probably.
How do you change the
What
trivia?
if we turn off audio?
You have to. So let's say you want to have a new video for trivia. You right-click Properties, go to 4 because that's where your files are. So it's currently viewing Trivia Hoko RHS, that file. Click Escape, right click View and Explore, DB8, whatever option. So basically, this is connecting to a network server. Down here, that's that thing up there, and this is that file. So Trivia Hoko RHS. So now you right click, open with, or just open. It's gonna open in Content Studio. So ask you which display you want to open it with. I have no idea what the difference is, so we're gonna guess one. A lot of this is just guessing. So this is sort of like a weird version of Photoshop.
Oh my gosh.
So basically you just upload your video into this, so this can create that VMFP file that then Content Studio can run. So it's slightly complicated. If you're dimming if you want to dim the screen, there's dimming control down here. Volume control.
For the screen, for the mesh.
Maybe.
Maybe.
I have no idea.
Oh.
Where's the Weir's ad?
Oh.
Weir's ad mesh. It puts the Weir's thing up there.
Yeah.
It's like, now you hear it. So now every house around here is hearing that. So volume control.
That's like funny.
Okay. Got it.
That's at 50%.
This is why best of was at 100%.
That kid
We got in trouble.
down there was very good.
Yeah, these.
Oh yeah, the cops.
So now we will turn this down to like 10%.
Okay.
The Weir's ad is the really bad one. The only way to see how good your audio is by playing it live. So let's find the Weir's ad.
You can do it during warm up.
Play run meme.
Go. That's it. You just one click it?
It's really
I just one clicked it. So this one did both because of how it's set up in properties. But you can right click properties and then it tells you what it does. So it says play mesh welcome VMFP on that audio mesh board with a pause mode. So on 1, then it gives you have your little star, that's the overview. 1, it's sort of a process. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 chooses which thing it's controlling, so it's your player control. 2 is then what are you controlling? Your audio mesh or your primary? So the primary is the main board, audio mesh is the top board. Then you're telling it what to do. Do I want to stop it? Do I want to blank display it? Like, what do I want this button to do? So you want it to play, and then you select your file. Set up in properties. Why is it doing that? Oh, it's set up for both of them. So if I, it's set up for the mesh and the full screen.
Okay.
So if I unselect mesh, it's not going to change it now because it's currently doing it. So if we blink all, yeah, I think it does constantly play until you stop it. So it's always like what it's doing until something else happens.
Oh, okay.
So at blink full board properties, here it's not going to be playing anything. It's going to, you have all your controllers selected and it's blinking the display. It's not going to change it now because it's currently doing it. So if we blink all, play run meme. So now it only does it on that lower one because of how it was set up here.
Okay.
So now we can select this back, but I'm betting no one uses this. Okay. There's the like high five cam. But what you need to do overlay live video, so then it knows what to play
So you
behind
can take
it.
multiple graphics at one.
Yeah. I mean, we have great play,
Great play.
on your feet, unstoppable. I mean, you can do like all of them.
None of them have audio to them?
No.
These are
So
like just
if you select it, there is no audio component here. It's no audio. But if we go to this, let's go game day, RSD Foundation properties, it's gonna have audio because it has that little symbol there and a little symbol there.
Okay.
You have to set up or remove audio in your mesh, in your control studio, content studio. Yeah.
Overly complicated.